Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Heaven panties, and this is how they come. So nobody can tell that you are getting something personal in the mail. Okay, this is the outer wrapping, and I did cut it open, and when you get inside, it looks like this. So let me tell you a little bit about Heaven panties. So to begin with, it's $13 a month for if you get one pair. They do have other plans, and this pair is valued at $15. You also get, for your $13, you also get a $13 credit in their store. So you're paying $13 and you're getting $13 credit in their store, and you're getting your $15 pair of panties, and you're also getting a complimentary styling service that's worth $10 a month, and free shipping that's worth $8 a month. So it's a great bargain, and they're really lovely panties. I have really enjoyed most every pair I've gotten. I've really enjoyed. It comes in this very nice bag that it's a Ziploc that you can reuse, and you can get a peek at the color that you're going to be getting. So let's see what's in there this time. And I'm plus size. They do have plus size, and these are beautiful. Well, let me show you. I've taken off the card already, but let me show you real quick what they're showing me on the card. And these are such a pretty color. Whoops. They display it very nicely for you. And if someone signs up under you, you get credit. I do have a link below if you're interested. And these are a brief, a very nice big size brief, not the type that is... you know, some go like below the belly button and things like that. This looks like a high brief, and it's super soft. Okay, so there is the tag, Heaven panty tag, and the manufacturer suggested price of $15. And this color is beautiful. It's gray, but it has a purple hue to it. It's like a silver. There's a color of a rose that is called, the rose is called silver. And it's like a silver lavender. It just so happens I have lavender on my nails. If I put that against it, this looks more silver. But if I don't, this is a silver, like a silver rose. Very beautiful. This waistline is stretchy. Now, see, their lace is never scratchy. Most panties that I've received from them have lace on them, and it's never scratchy. This is very, very soft, and it has a good give to it. And these are just really pretty. There is a bit of a design in the solid fabric, if you can see, and these are a nice coverage. These are a full brief, the front and the back. Like I said, they're a high brief. And then look around the panty legs. How cute is that? The lace. And again, like I said, that lace is not at all scratchy, so that's not going to irritate you at all. These are just super, super soft. Super soft. And I usually wear a 1X, and I get the XXXL so that it fits me. When you first get your pair, you'll get a measure tape. Here is actually it's right here because I've been using it. You get a measure tape so you can measure yourself, and so that you pick the exact size that fits you. And there's many different styles to pick from. They do a questionnaire, and if you like thongs, sexy, that type of thing. I'm more of an everyday kind of a panty wearer. That's what I'm looking for. So these are very nice, and there is cotton where you need it. So very, very pretty. I just love the color. So that is my Heaven panties. And if you are playing along with the treasure trove, here's a bonus for you, is this Luminosity Trend Beauty. This is a palette, and I'll show it to you real quick. It is, the inside looks the same as the sleeve. It has a nice magnet closure, and it does have a mirror on one side, and then these beautiful neutrals. This is a beautiful palette. Very pretty. I got this palette from Ipsy. And I have not tried this brand before, the Trend Beauty, but several people have, and they say that they swatch very nicely. So that is for the treasure trove game. And thanks for coming by to see my Heaven panties. They're so pretty. Thank you, Heaven Panties. They do send this to me free for review, and I really have been enjoying them. And thank you again, Heaven Panties. And y'all, thank you for stopping by. Count your blessings, and have a great day. Bye.